Hi, welcome to the YouTube channel. This is Alphabet Animal Kingdom. I is for iguana. So here's an oval. Draw it lightly, and then I'm going to do a thin little triangle going in, and then make the mouth longer by a bit of a diagonal going down. From that center right here, I'm going to go up, draw a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is a slanted oval, and I'm going to round this off. Looking at the picture, I'm going to go in and then out. Round that off, and then what I'm going to do is go up and round this off around the eye. Awesome. So you can draw up and then go out for the neck, and here would be where the other part of the neck would start too. Great. So this is kind of an oval here and a larger one below. And looking at a picture for ideas, this is right along that oval and turns. It kind of rounds off here and there. Great. So you're going to go ahead and bring this line down. So I'm erasing because I did do a lot of extra details, and that's why you had to draw lightly. So this is like a C here. Make that darker. Oh, there's the tongue. And then there's another circle inside. Yeah, look at pictures for ideas. Round that off and then do an eyelid above it. Another circle for the pupil. Connect this. And now you have an eye. Great. Up underneath the eye too. And I'm making that a little bit darker at the end. So let's shade this in. And I'm going to shade around the eye in the iris and lighter. And then I'm going to shade inside the nostril as well after I finish doing the eyelid. Great. So what else can I do? Oh, let's do the tongue and darken inside the mouth. Let's darken these right here, a little dark around the edge and then lighter inside of it. So what else can I do? These are like irregular U's and they just kind of go up and down, and you can look at the picture for ideas, but it's nothing really perfect with these, so that's kind of good. And I'm not lifting up my pencil when I'm doing this, I'm kind of connecting them that way, and these have a pattern to them. So they're just irregular shapes. Some of them are perfect circles, but not all of them, and they kind of go in the same direction. So look if there's a pattern to it, and yeah, have fun with this, or just fill them all in. There's lots and lots of blobs or circles, whichever one you see them to be. And I'm going to fill that in and darken some of my lines. Yeah, the more you put down, it's going to be more interesting. So tons of little circles here. I'm speeding these up so you don't have to watch me draw every tiny little circle. Plus I'm going a little fast. Up here's some triangles. Different sizes too. They're not all the same, and they get a little bit smaller. So here's some more circles. Yep, tons of little circles. Sometimes I don't even finish doing the circle. I just kind of scribble them on. And let's go around the eye again, and up there's those U's or M's really. They're all just kind of connected. And then I'm going to bump this a little bit, make it a little bit more interesting. Can't really see too much there, but right here it's in shadow. So if you're more interested in using colored pencils or markers or crayons, I would use that at this point instead of shading it in. So here's some more details for you. They get bigger and then they get smaller, and then you fill them in with tons of little circles too. What else can I do? I'm going to shade that in and lots of little circles. Keep filling this in. The more you do, again, as I said, it's going to look cool and interesting. So what else can you do here? I'm going to shade this and yeah, just work on this fold as it kind of folds in. So a lot of this is just watching me do this or look at the picture for ideas. And yep, here's some rounded lines again, and then I'm going to go ahead and make some spears. They kind of separate each other too later on, and there's a little line there and a little line here, and shade it in. So thank you so much for tuning in, liking, subscribing to my YouTube channel. This is Alphabet Animal Kingdom. I'm drawing an iguana. I hope you like it and enjoy it and subscribe.